The Askina Calgitrol product range is designed for the treatment of infected or critically colonized wounds, utilizing the patented ionic silver alginate matrix. The Calgitrol range is provided in different formats to suit different types of wounds: Askina Calgitrol AG, Askina Calgitrol Thin, and Askina Calgitrol Paste. If a biofilm is suspected, the wound may be cleansed using Prontazan solution. After that, the characteristics of the wound will guide which product to use. Askina Calgitrol AG. 1. Select the appropriate size of dressing to completely cover the wound surface, extending 2 to 3 centimeters beyond the wound edge. If necessary, several dressings can be overlapped to cover a large area. 2. Apply the Calgitrol AG with the dark grey surface touching the wound. No activation of the dressing is required. Askina Calgitrol Thin. 1. The dressing can be cut to size before removal of the protective layers. 2. Remove one of the protective layers and apply the exposed face of the dressing to the wound. No activation of the dressing is required. 3. Following the application of the dressing, remove the second protective layer and apply an absorbent secondary dressing. To pack deeper wounds, sacrum, fistula, and tunnels, Calgitrol Thin can be rolled and inserted into the wound. Calgitrol Thin can also be used for wounds in difficult-to-dress locations where a good conformability is needed, for example on the heel, elbow, or shoulder. Askina Calgitrol Paste. 1. Shake the tube prior to use, then remove the cap. 2. Apply a thick layer of paste to the entire surface of the wound bed and apply an absorbent secondary dressing. The Askina Calgitrol range. Nothing's going to stop you now.